ECOMILL 880 standard. We are beginning the roller mill testing in operation. The rollers have been adjusted on the bench. The gap between the rollers has been set to 0.45 millimeters. Now we have installed the belts, tensioning of which resulted in a change of the rollers' gap and disturbed their parallelism. These parameters will be checked and corrected during the mill operation. Sergey, 250 micron sieve, is on the 7th station, and we have got 315 and 160 micron sieves in reserve. I propose to place 200 micron sieve, or let's suppose 212 micron 1, on the 7th station, and to place 200 micron sieve here, and to place 160 micron sieve for tightening here. To place 160 micron sieve on the 5th station and 212 micron sieve here and 200 micron sieve from the 5th station to place here. During the roller mill tests, a decision was made to use finer sieves on the 4th mill station and on the 7th packing station to increase whiteness of the flour produced. Using finer sieves resulted in increased flour whiteness. The roller mill exhibited perfect performance within the test run. Additionally, fine adjustment of the rollers was implemented within the tests. Specifically, the gaps between the rollers were set, which enabled to increase the flour yield.